Are you interested in becoming a real estate agent? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to delve into the top tips for kickstarting a successful career in the real estate industry. From understanding the landscape to mastering the art of communication, every step of the journey matters. Step 1. Research and preparation. Before you dive in, it's crucial to do your homework. The real estate industry is as complex as it is rewarding. So, it's essential to understand the ins and outs of the field. Start by looking into the licensing requirements in your state. Each state has different rules and regulations, so make sure you're well-versed in what's expected of you. Next, familiarize yourself with market trends. Knowing the ebb and flow of the real estate market will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and give sound advice. Lastly, understand what skills are necessary to thrive. This isn't just about knowing how to sell a house, it's about building relationships, understanding the needs of your clients, and being able to negotiate effectively. Step 2. Educational requirements. Real estate is a field that requires a solid educational foundation. You can't just wing it. You need to understand the ins and outs of property laws, contracts, and management. This is where a pre-licensing course comes into play. Most states require aspiring real estate agents to complete this course before they can practice. Now you might be wondering, where can I take this course? Well, there are numerous reputable real estate schools and online platforms available. These platforms offer comprehensive courses that cover all the essential topics you'll need to understand as a real estate agent. It's crucial to select a reputable institution because the quality of your education directly affects your future performance in the field. Remember, knowledge is power, and in real estate, it's your ticket to success. Step 3. Pass the licensing exam. This is a crucial step in your journey to becoming a real estate agent. The licensing exam is your proving ground. It's where the rubber meets the road, where your knowledge of real estate principles and practices will be put to the test. But don't fret, preparation is key. Your pre-licensing course has equipped you with the knowledge you need. Take the time to review, practice, and understand the concepts thoroughly. Use study guides, take practice exams, and don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. Remember, this exam is not just about passing, it's about understanding and applying the principles that will make you a successful real estate agent. It's a big milestone, but it's not the end of the road. Step 4. Choose a brokerage. A good brokerage can make all the difference in your career. As a newly minted real estate agent, you're not quite ready to go it alone. You'll need to align yourself with a licensed brokerage. This is more than just a formal requirement. A brokerage is your support system, your mentor, and your business partner. So how do you choose the right one? Well, it's about more than just the name on the sign. You'll want to consider their training programs. Do they offer ongoing education to keep you at the top of your game? Look at the commission split. How much of your hard-earned cash will you get to keep? And don't forget about company culture. You want to work in an environment where you can thrive. Step 5. Join professional associations. These organizations can be a great resource for networking and staying updated on industry trends. Associations like the National Association of Realtors, or NAR for short, are not just about the membership card. They're about community. They're about connections. They're about learning from those who've walked the path before you. They offer a wealth of resources, from educational webinars and certification programs to legal advice and legislative updates. Being part of a professional association means being part of a collective voice that can influence real estate policy. It's about being part of a group that sets the professional standards in the industry. And let's not forget, these associations also provide ample opportunities to network with peers, share insights, and even find mentors. Your journey in real estate is not a solitary one. By joining professional associations, you're tapping into a community that can help propel your career forward. Step 6. Build your personal brand. In real estate, your brand is your promise to your client. It's what sets you apart in a crowded market and what clients will remember when they're ready to make their move. Building a personal brand starts with understanding your unique value. Are you an expert in a specific neighborhood? Do you have a knack for negotiating? This is your unique value, and it's what will make clients choose you over the competition. Next, create an online presence that reflects your brand. This could include a professional website, engaging social media profiles, and even a blog where you share your insights and expertise. Remember, your personal brand isn't just about selling properties. It's about building relationships and trust. Show your potential clients who you are, what you stand for, and why they should choose you. Step 7. Marketing yourself. To succeed in real estate, you need to be seen. Visibility is the golden ticket in this industry, and that's where a robust marketing plan comes into play. It's not just about selling properties. It's about selling yourself, your expertise, your trustworthiness, and your unique approach to real estate. Start by mapping out a marketing strategy that covers both online and offline tactics. Online, leverage the power of social media. Use it to showcase properties, share industry insights, and engage with your audience. Don't shy away from video content either. A virtual tour of a property can work wonders. Offline, consider traditional marketing methods like networking events, open houses, and even print advertising. Remember, it's all about making connections and building relationships. And above all, always show your personality. People want to work with real people, not just a faceless brand. Step 8. Develop strong communication skills. In real estate, communication is key. It's not just about speaking eloquently or having a wide vocabulary. It's about truly connecting with people. Your interpersonal skills can make or break your success in this field. Think about it. You're not just selling properties, you're helping people find their dream homes or make significant investments. To effectively do that, you need to understand their needs, their concerns, their dreams. That's where active listening comes into play. It's about more than just hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. And then, there's negotiation. In property deals, the stakes are high and the margins for error are slim. Your negotiation skills can mean the difference between a closed deal and a lost opportunity. It's not just about getting the best price, but also about ensuring all parties feel satisfied and respected. Step 9. Stay informed and continuously learn. The real estate landscape is ever-changing. Just like the seasons, market trends shift and evolve, making it crucial for you to stay ahead of the curve. The best way to do this? Keep your ear to the ground. Attend seminars, read industry publications, listen to podcasts, and participate in webinars. These resources are treasure troves of knowledge, offering insights into market dynamics, emerging trends, and innovative techniques. But remember, learning doesn't stop at understanding market trends. It's also about refining your skills and broadening your knowledge base. Dive into topics beyond your comfort zone. Explore areas like property law, finance, negotiation strategies, and even interior design. The broader your knowledge, the more you can offer your clients. So don't let the dust settle on your learning journey. Keep pushing, keep exploring, and keep growing. Step 10. Provide excellent customer service. In real estate, the customer is king. Building lasting relationships with clients is the backbone of a successful career. It starts with understanding their needs and wants. When a client feels heard and valued, they're more likely to trust your guidance and advice. Remember, exceptional customer service isn't a one-time act. It's a consistent effort. It's about going the extra mile, whether that's providing timely updates, being available for questions, or helping clients navigate complex paperwork. It's also about after-sales service. Stay in touch with clients even after a deal is closed. Send them relevant market updates, wish them on special occasions, or simply check in to see how they're doing. By delivering exceptional customer service, you're not just closing deals, you're building a referral network. Satisfied clients can become your biggest advocates, recommending you to their friends, family, and colleagues. And there you have it, 10 steps to becoming a successful real estate agent. I'll catch you in the next video.